So we're fitting a commuter bus. It's a 12-seater commuter bus, Australian built, and it's had a 4-wheel-drive conversion, so I'll be stepping in and out of it. So you need to do that. We identify the seat covers to suit the seats. There are different seats in here. This one has a seat belt over the shoulder, as does the one in there. The difference between those two, no grab handle, no grab handle. So the one with the no grab handle has no cutout. The other one has a cutout. This one here, no seat belt fitted, and is solid, no problems at all. It's ready to go on. We're identifying that this has a seat belt fitted. The seat belts will be usable. You don't need to unbolt the seat belts. We've designed the seat covers to go around it, so you don't have to do it. So we'll jump up now and I'll fit the 2-seater cushion, which has been designed to go on to the vehicle itself. They're not all the same, but in this one, we have Velcro under it because there's carpet to attach it to. So this one will be a slide through, tucked through the inside, and then Velcro down. So identify, yes, it is the right one. It is the double seat. Jump up. I don't know if we'll see, but we might see it come through the back where you poke your seat cover through. Aligned at the front. Mirror image the other side on this. You'll see my hand come through the right-hand side, and we tuck through. And what happens, I don't know if you can see there, use your hands to secure the seat cover. All right, this one here, secure the seat cover to the carpet, avoiding the seat belt. There's no reason to go near that one. Everything just tucks under and fits nicely. All right, so back down again. Right, fitting the backrest. These backrests fit individual. Pull the headrest out. Find the seat cover. This design fit. All the SupaFit seat covers are folded in the correct way that you see it, ready to fit on. They may be folded up in different ways, but you don't have to fold them in the correct way. It's already done for you. Slide him over, adjusting. All right, I've partly done this one. I'll remove that. Find the next one. Same thing. There are eyelets for this particular seat cover. Has eyelets for the headrest to go through. Some of our seat covers have bound edges. They're all designed for individuals. So it's not one is everything. It's been designed to the vehicle. Not this is the one way we do it. We're going to make it happen that way. But we try and make it so that seat covers fit with minimal stress. Again, you don't have to remove the seat belt. It's designed to go around and the seat belt still works freely. Adjust this up, put a temporary one there. This is just to hold it until I tuck the front through. All right, there's a lot of getting in and out with seat covers, and in this bus, we'll get back in there. And the front tail pushes through the back. Front one, this one, putting through the back. While we're up here, we have a quick look that the eyelets are lining up, and we just position the seat cover to make it easy for us when we put the headrest back in. And again, I'll go back on the ground. Pull the tail through. You can see we designed the seat cover there to miss the seat belt. This all goes in the planning when we first designed the seat cover. And you just Velcro the two together. Are we happy here? Give it a readjustment. There we go. This side, pull through, peel back, Velcro on, and done. Now we get to the headrest. I'll show you 2 ways to fit a headrest. Number 1, headrest is already sitting in the seat. Slide it over the top. Tuck the tail through. And the Velcro's up. It's one way. or use a knee. Slide it over. You get a better view of the way that works that way, and then fit the headrest back in. And if I lined them up right, there we go. And those two are done. And you work through the process in the rear seats identifying, and we'll fit this one on here. Single seat cover, fits in a similar process. All right, so we're back in the van now, fitting the single seats. Same thing again, if you want to fit the headrest while you're in there. Release clip on the inside. Again, some are here, some are little clips. Go on the side, pull out. There's a grab handle there. Seat cover with a grab handle. Slide him over. Pull the seat belt out. Again, making sure that the seat belt is accessible. It's going to be awkward in the buses, in cars, because you've got to get in. And they're not on benches. We design them to be fitted in the vehicle. And then tuck through and roll up. Seatbelt not interfering, that's beautiful. And then we're back onto the cushion. Single base. We're getting, the tail will come through again. Line up the front. You've got the side velcros just go underneath. At the front. And then this one at the back here, pull adjust it. And avoid the seatbelt. And tuck the velcros in. Lastly, line your eyelets up and your headrest goes in. You hit around an adjustment, and that's that done. So that's the rears for a Hiace commuter. Rosa buses, coaster buses, 57-seat coaches, they'll work on the same principle. If they've got seat belts, the seat belts are designed to work around the seat cover. No removing seat belts. Yeah, each seat's individual. Grab handles, no grab handles, double seats, single seats. Identify out of the bag that you've got the right one before doing it. Today we're fitting the Hiace front seat covers, which suits both the van and the bus. So you see we're on the passenger one here. It's got the passenger tag on there. The drivers will have the driver's tag. These are designed to be joined in the middle. Your Land Cruiser dual cab has different pieces. This has a design where we have a protective carpet flap at the back, which we'll show you. Those protective flaps are designed to cover seatbelt wiring, airbag wiring in the van. We utilise this and we do not remove them. They are designed to protect any airbag line, so we stick with them and stay on there. So we'll show you how these fit. Back to where the headrest again, we can slide over while we're in here. Right, headrest done. Slide over the back, fold the Velcro a little bit back so you can get most of the work done from this front side. Don't be scared of shifting anything into place. Remember, these are designed to fit into the seat. They don't look tight to start with. Your body presses in on here, and as you can see, just by doing that, they're tight. So yeah, they are designed to suit your body as well. This one has one Velcro strap. That strap's designed to go front to back to reduce the movement on the seat cover. So while we're fitting it right now, just tuck it through the back as much as we can, and we'll get to that in a sec. Slide the other side, push them back in there. Get the sides over. This particular seat cover, the Velcro, it's a double-sided Velcro on this one, it's not on all. That touches on the carpet flap on the back, that touches on the backrest of the seat. They are not all designed like that, but this one is. Same on driver's side. If they had electric cutouts or anything on there, there would be a cutout. So when we ask you questions about year, model, you know, whether it's got a cup holder anywhere, we're asking for a reason. We want to give you the best fitting seat cover that we can give you, and that's based off the question, the answers that you give us to our questions. All right, so there's a lever here for the backrest. Don't put it over the top. Put it underneath it. It just goes in a little bit. And, all right, we're part of the way there now. Now we'll go to the back bit and we'll show you that. So the protective flap at the back of this seat is held on by elastics at the front. In this particular van, you can't open it up to gain access. So we just get our hand in there. You can feel the Velcro strap, give it a little gentle pull through and reposition it facing forward for the last part of the job. Right, so there's the side. The side comes around at the same time. We are doing Velcroing to the carpet on this one, and then this Velcro touches onto the softer side of that and also secures across the back to the carpet flap. Hiace van, if they're designed like this, a lot of them may touch around the side, that may hang down and be secured by the bottom. And the last bit is we do the front to back Velcro. So this bit's the awkward bit. I can't show you the strap underneath on this seat while it's in here, but the Velcro strap, I've reached through the back, I pulled the front opposite strap in and give it a little bit of tension, and you can see the seat cover move, and we join them together. All right, that seat cover's fitted now, but we haven't finished. We've got to give it a little push into spot. Make sure everything's sitting nicely. And last of all, refit the headrest that we fitted before. And that is a fitted seat cover on there. Now these seat covers will settle in. They are an industrial canvas seat cover designed to stop the wear, reduce the wear on your seats. Yeah, they will settle in after time. Your body will do magic on it and make them drivable and sittable.